Best Magnifying Glass with Light Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular magnifying glasses in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this lighted magnifying glass so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this magnifying glass. The one that made our list is the BUSATIA LED Illuminated Magnifier. This magnifier is made with premium optical grade lenses, one of which is 3 times and the other one is 45 times magnification, to provide a clear, distortion-free image. The 3x lens is for people with low vision and macular degeneration to do crafts, hobbies or read books, and the 45x lens is perfect for miniatures, jewelry or professional inspection. These crystal clear lenses are scratch resistant for extended durability. The high quality, ergonomic and lightweight body frame makes it comfortable to use and easy to bring along wherever you need. There are also 3 built-in energy efficient LED lights to illuminate whatever you're looking at, so you never have to strain your eyes. It's really easy to operate with the on and off button and is powered by AAA batteries. This set also comes with a lens screening cloth and a storage bag, so you can bring it wherever you need. To check out the full specs of the BUSATIA LED Illuminated Magnifier and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/magnifylight. Here's a quick look at how easy it is to use this magnifier. So there you have it, the BUSATIA LED Illuminated Magnifier. Considering its ease of use, the quality of this set, and its overall functionality, we feel that this magnifier is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the BUSATIA LED Illuminated Magnifier and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/magnifylight. Alright, thank you for watching.